Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is initializations and inheritance in Java. Today's date is 8 August 22. Now I discuss in the what is initializations in Java. The initializations in Java is concept of universe and straightforward of program. It is used in the programs and then why using created in the object and class. What is initializations? The initializations is a constructors calling constructor, and then it is the of a created in the class in the objects, and initialization is type of a class. And another way of a or created in the objects and class in the called as initializations. Then it is the provided in the initialization and class in the blueprint of Java. What is the object? Object is the runtime entity. Then it is the consist of the blueprint and class. Then it is the number of created in the class and objects. It is the syntax of the initializations. Class name, objects names equals to new class and brackets. Then the created of the initialization. There are the two types of the created initialization. First is the using new keywords, and second is the static factory method. Then discuss in the inheritance in Java. The inheritance in Java, it is the created in the objects in the acquired properties and behaviors of a parent class. The inheritance of a Java, it is the created in the new class and exited in the built in the class. Then it is the inheritance in the inheritance is a relationships is also called as the parent-child relationships. Then it is the types of the inheritance. First is the method overloading, and second is the reliabilities, code reliabilities. Then it is the terms of the inheritance. First is the class. Class is the blueprint of collections, properties and behavior of an object. Then class is the group of common properties, and then it is the objects and templates and blueprints of objects. Then it is the discussing the subclass. The subclass is the inheritance to other class. It is also known as the drive class and child class. Then it is the superclass. Superclass of a subclass and also called as a base class and drive class. Then it is reliabilities. The reliabilities is the specified into the mechanisms of the fields and methods. Then it is the use in the same fields and method used in the previous class. Then it is the firstly executed in the parent class, because in the child class is acquired into the parent class and extend using the extends keywords. And then first is used in the parent class is executed because they are the super keywords in the usage. That's why the first executed in the parent class and then executed in the child class. This is the some discussion of inheritance and initializations of Java.